How to fix Temu app no internet and not network connection error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Temu app no internet and not network connection error. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet condition or connection. So if not, you can easily switch between networks. That is, if you're using Wi-Fi, you can switch to cellular data, and if you're using cellular data, you can switch to Wi-Fi. If this is not the issue, what you need to do is simply you have to open the Play Store on your device or App Store depending upon your device and search for Temu app. If there is any updates available, simply select the update button and update it to the latest version so that it functions smoothly. So what you can do, the next step is simply you need to tap and hold Temu app and the eye icon. This will let you access app info section where you need to select storage uses and tap to your cache. This will help you fix different kinds of glitches on the application. Now you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, lastly, you can easily free up storage on your device as well as restart your device. So that's all. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.